Lake Erie and Lake Victoria are both freshwater lakes. We are having essentially the same water quality challenges. And the research is basically focused on finding ways of dealing with a particular water pollution challenge that we are facing globally, which is the problem of algae blooms that are showing up in these lakes because of human activity. My research focus in this project is looking at the socioeconomic impacts and policy responses to the problem of algae blooms in Lake Victoria. So there is the policy aspect that needs to be understood, what is already being done in terms of policy, and what can be done to actually keep the sources fresh and usable for the foreseeable future. What can governments do to actually make sure that the water is treated adequately, the toxins that are associated with algae blooms are removed from the drinking water, and of course, how that impacts fisheries and a number of other things. But when you're translating policy and transferring policy, you have to look at the local socioeconomic environment. Simply picking that from the US and using it in Kisumu may not necessarily work. In a global world, we shouldn't assume that we are the ones that are coming with solutions. It could very well be that also Kisumu has found a solution that they are using to address the issue, in which case we need to learn from them and also adapt the same in Northwest Ohio. In this context, the project is actually about BGSU as a public university for global public good, not just public good in the United States or even in Northwest Ohio, but actually public good broadly defined. Northwest Ohio, Ohio, US, Africa, and actually even beyond.